acute to acute to 90 degrees.
Okay.
Straight.
First, we should have what?
Straight.
Supplementary.
Two parallel lines, right? What's the meaning of two parallel lines, grade 8, sorry.
Two lines that are
Two lines that
are
never
intersect.
Very good. Two lines which is never intersect. Thank you. So if I will put angles like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, and then 8. Okay. I can divide the region. So you will say that line L, it will be parallel with line M. Then line L, it will be parallel with line M. And the third line, it will be the transversal. Once we have two parallel lines and we have a transversal, then we will find pair of angles. Before we will start to revise together what is the pair of angles, we can say that I'm going to divide this figure in front of us into 3 regions. The first region is exterior region, and the second region here we would say the interior. And the third region, it will be exterior. Yes.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, honey.
هو أنهي بالظبط
consecutive interior, which is 4 and 6. 4 and 6. This is consecutive interior angle, and we can call it by another name. Did you remember?
Yes, same side interior.
Same side interior. Thank you. So the consecutive, we can call it same side interior angles. And there's.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes.
2 and 8, they have no relation? So?
2 and 8, they have no direct relation.
Okay.
They have no direct relation. Okay, so we said sometimes we have a direct relation and another time we have indirect relation. Okay, then if we want to mention now the relation between each pair of angles. So we said that we have two parallel lines and we found that we have different angles in front of us and we divided them into groups. So we said that we have corresponding angles. So could you please tell me what are the corresponding angles in this figure? The corresponding angle, they should be in the same side of the transversal. Judy, go on. Tell me pair of angles which is, they will be corresponding angles. What did you say?
Angle 2 and angle 6?
Yes, angle 2. Angle 2 and angle what? And angle 6. Okay, what else? Could you please tell me another pair which they are corresponding? Adam, could you please, Adam, please tell me two angles which they will be corresponding. Adam.
Miss, your voice is lagging.
For all of you, my voice is lagging?
Miss, I can't hear you.
Miss, you have a problem with your internet.
I worked with 7 and 8, it was good. So like this, okay? Okay, you can hear me? The transversal. So did you see this line? Which is, we can call it A because you are Adam. So I'm going to call the transversal by the letter A. So the letter A, you have a left side and you have a right side, okay? Then to find a corresponding angle, then you will skip one and you will take the other. Like what? Like 2 and what? And 6. Then you skipped what? Skip 4 and you take 6. Could you please give me another pair of angles? They will be corresponding angles. Adam, you don't know, or you confused, or what? Tell me.
I'm the one answering.
Yes, please. I'm waiting for your answer.
4 and 8.
4 and 8. Thank you. Those two angles, they will be corresponding angles, and they should be have the same measure. Then 2 and 6, and then 4 and 8. Is there any other pair they will be corresponding? Malak, you know? Malak? Malak is not here? Okay, Kinsey. Kinsey, answer please.
Will be 1 and 5. 1 and 5.
1 and 5, yes. And what else?
3 and 7.
3 and 7. Thank you so much. So we have different pair of corresponding angles, and they should be equal in measure. Like what? Like 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 1 and 3, 3 and 7. Could you please give me an example about alternate interior angles? Alternate interiors, you have to work in the middle region, which is interior. Alternate interior angles. Yes, Rashwan. Rashwan. Hala. Hala. Nano.
Angle 4 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 6.
Okay, so we have interior angles like 4 and angle 4 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 6. So one left and one right, one left and one right, and they are in the interior region. What about if I'm looking for the exterior angles? How we will find the exterior angles? Hala, you can hear me? Hala? Khadija?
Miss, I think Hala has a problem with her mic.
Okay, Khadija?
Yes.
Could you please tell me a pair of angles which they will be exterior alternate angles?
Okay.
Exterior?
1 and 8 and 2 and 7.
Yes, 1 and 8 and 2 and 7. Very good. Then we found alternate interior, alternate exterior, and corresponding angles. If there anyone can tell me two consecutive interior or same side angle, where we can find same side angle? Reem.
4 and 6.
4 and 6, and what else?
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Thank you so much. Okay, then by using these relations, we can solve questions by first we will define an angle. It's alternate or alternate interior or alternate exterior, or vertical or corresponding or same side interior angle in them. So the first question is, find a measure of angle 1 and state the reason. Select one of the following choice. Then please read the choices and tell me why we have to find, or how we can find, measure of angle 1. Yalla, Kenzie?
With the measure will be 124 degree because it's alternate exterior angle.
Because they are alternate exterior angles. Agree with her or anyone disagree?
Agree.
Agree. Yes.
Agree.
Because 124 with angle 1, this is alternate exterior angle. Okay, let's move to the next question. Ali, please, all the class, you have just a few seconds to solve and tell me the value of x. solve and tell me the value of x, please. How we will find the value of x?
Miss هو كده they are consecutive صح؟
Consecutive interior, yes, which means their sum should be equal.
180.
180.
Okay, so Ali, are you ready?
No, miss, not yet.
Okay,
Just
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for your answer or anyone else. Huh? Is there anyone found the value of x?
Yes, me.
Who?
Kenzie.
Kenzie. Okay, anyone else?
Me.
Who? Please
Reem.
tell me your name. Yes, Yarin. Huh? How did you find the answer?
X. I made 4x minus 12 plus 120 equal 180.
Very good. Very good. First, we can say, what is the relation between the two angles which he gave it to us? They are consecutive interior angles. And we can say that their sum should be equal 180. So we can make like Reem said, 4x minus 12 plus 120 equal 180. Is there anyone can tell me another way and it will be more easier to finish your question quickly? Anyone can
180.
Yes.
120.
180 minus 120?
180 equal 120 how?
Minus.
Minus, yes, yes. So we can say 180 minus 180 minus 120 equal how many? Equal 60, which means 4x minus 12 equal 60, right? And by this way, I think the equation, it will be more easier. Then 4x equal, what is the next step, grade 8?
Change negative 12 will be
Yes,
transfer
so
12.
it will be
60 plus 12.
plus 12, very good. And what is the next step?
4x equals 72.
4.
4 divide.
Very good. 4x equals 72. Then divide by 4.
It will be equal 18.
Very good. So the answer, it will be equal 18. Then, in case we have two consecutive interior or same side interior, which means they are supplementary, their sum equal 180 degrees. In this case, we are going to make both, they add both together equal 180, or we can say I'm going to subtract 180 minus 120, which means this part, which is 4x minus 12, this it will be equal 60. After that, we will solve the equation and we will find the value for the variable, which means the answer for this question, it will be equal 18. Any questions so far till this point? Okay, let's move to the next question. Be ready. Next question. Who will tell me? Try to calculate it and tell me the answer. I'm waiting for your answer, grade 8. I'm waiting for your answer.
So do we send it or we will answer?
No. Please answer it, and then when you finish, tell me, Ms. Sahar, I'm done.
Ms. Sahar, I'm done.
Okay. Nano?
Yes.
Okay. What is the value of x which you have it, Nano?
7x minus 20 equal 4x plus 16.
Okay, which means the value of x. What is the value of x which you have it? Did you find the value of x?
Miss, I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Miss, can I say the X?
Yes, please.
Or make the steps?
Tell me the final answer first. It would be how many?
12.
12. Thank you. Is there anyone agree with her? The final answer, it would be equal 12?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the relation between the two angles which in front of us now?
Alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior. And alternate exterior, they should be equal in measure or they will be supplementary?
Equal measure.
Equal measure.
Thank you. Which means now it will be 7x minus 20
minus.
equal
Now
4
our internet got closed for a second.
x plus
We'll reconnect again.
16. Who? Who?
Nana.
Nano. Yes, I accepted here.
Nano.
Yes, yes. I not. Then 7x minus 20 equal 4x plus 16. Now we will combine the like term together in one side. So it will be 7x minus 4x equal 16 plus 20. Now we have 7x minus 4x. It will be how many? 3x equal, huh?
4x.
36.
36. Okay. Then we will divide both by how many?
3.
By
3.
3. So the answer it will be equal how many? Equal 12. So first of all, we have to mention the relation. If you will mention the relation between the two angles, so you will solve as a normal equation. Okay. Two are raising their hands. Do you have a question or you want to answer?
Answer.
Answer. Yalla, answer the next question.
Okay.
Tell me the answer.
The relation.
Tell me the answer.
X equals 12.
No, for the next question. You are raising your hand before the question, so tell me the answer.
I thought you wanted the relation, so.
Okay, here is it, the next question. I'm waiting for your answer.
Who's gonna answer?
Anyone ready?
Me.
Yes.
Yes.
21x equals 13x plus 24 because they are adjacent, alternate exterior.
Yes, because they are alternate exterior.
So 21 equals 13x plus 24.
Very good. So let me write what you said, Fadia, please. So Fadia said that they are alternate exterior and they should be equal in measure, which means 21x, it will be equal 13x plus 24. Then 21x minus 13x will be equal 24. Then 21 minus 13 equal how many?
8.
8. Yes. 8x equal 24. And after that, what is the value of x? It will be
3.
Equal 3. Yes. Any question?
No.
No, thank you.
Okay.
No, thank
Yes. Move to the next question. Quickly. Find measure of angle VYZ. VYZ. How we will find the measure of angle. Once you finish, tell me the final answer and then take your time. Please tell me, you will tell me the final answer. Did you find the final answer?
Yes.
I can't.
Who said yes?
Ahmed Rashwan.
Rashwan, did you find the final answer?
Yes.
It's how many, Ahmed?
25.
No, I'm not talking about read the question, Ahmed, please. Find measure of angle VYZ. You said 25.
Yes, I found the final answer.
Yes, I need to.
Oh, okay, Nano, because the last time the internet let you out.
100.
100. Agree with her?
Yes, I not agree.
No.
So
You not agree. Yes. Rashwan, are you ready to answer?
Oh, I said 25. عشان we'll make.
Yes, 25. This is the value of what, ya Ahmed?
It's 80.
You said 25. But 25, this is the value of The angle
The equation.
or the variable in the question?
The variable.
The variable. Then you have to substitute to find measure of angle WZY, and then you will find a relation between the angle which he's looking for, which is measure of angle VYZ, and the angle which you have it already. Understood what I said?
Yes.
Yes.
يبقى 100 yes.
يبقى
80.
100?
80.
80. Yes, it will be 80. So let me check with you how we can find the answer for this question. Number one, we are going to use the normal way to find the value for the variable. So the value for the variable here is how many? Is 2a plus 50 equal 4a. Any objection?
No.
No. Next, we are going to combine the like term together. So I have 50 equal 4a minus 2a, right? Then 50 equal 2a. Next, the value of a, it will be equal 25. Now we found the value of a. So you have two methods to find the answer. Is there anyone can tell me what are the two methods which you can use to find the answer?
Supplementary 180 minus 100.
Minus 100. So you can substitute in one from the both two angles which we have it here. Like what?
2a.
I can go up here and I will substitute the value of a, right? Then 4 times 25, it will be equal how much? 100. And then I will use supplementary angles, two adjacent, 180 minus 100, so it will be equal 80. So this is one method. There is another method. If you don't want to replace or to substitute in 4a, you will go and you will substitute where 2a plus 50. Then 2 times a, which is 2 times 25, it will be 50. 50 plus 50 equal how many? Equal 100. And after that,
Miss, I have a question.
yes, sure.
Miss Hawa, why did we use 4a when we want to find the angle VYZ? Hawa, I thought we were supposed it was the total would be 180.
Listen to me. I said we can use different ways to solve the same question. Agree with me? Yes?
Yes.
Different ways. So I said the first option, maybe someone can say that the measure of those two angles together, they should be equal how many? Huh?
180.
Yes, they are adjacent angles, lies in the same line, and we have ray, or we have two adjacent angles formed by a straight line and a ray. So they are summed together equal 180. So I said instead of replacing or substituting in this one, I choose the second way. 4 times 25 equal 100, then 180 minus 100, it will be equal 80, right? So this is the first option. The second option, I can use the relation between those two angles lying between two parallel lines, then their sum together equal 180 because this is same side interior angles, which means their sum equal 180 degrees. So this is 100 and this is how many? It will be how many, Hannah?
80.
It will be equal 80. Okay, understood?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Any question, grade 8? Jana, you just entered. Did you understand the last part, yeah, Jana?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so we were talking about which type of angles, yeah, Jana. If I'm talking about 4a and 2a plus 50, what is the relation between those two angles, yeah, Jana? Sorry? I think you might have a problem. Hello? 4a and 2a plus 50. This is two corresponding angles, right? two corresponding angles. And the two corresponding angles, what is the relation between them? They should be equal or they should be supplementary?
Equal.
Equal, thank you. Then two corresponding angles, they should be equal and measure. Let's move to the next question. Hannah Magdi
4
entered.
times or 3 times?
No, Hannah Magdi entered. So Hannah Magdi and Farah, they are one group. So please, they can play together and tell me the result. The rest. Nano entered. Ahmad Rashwan, Reem Gouda, very good. Start to work together. Regina, Ali, Aisel. I'm sharing the
هو احنا ازاي نبدأ الجيم؟ هو مش عايز نبدأ.
start, press start.
Oh, it says to me something
مش باين لنا.
I have another different code.
بس هو أنا
مس حضرتك
في
المفروض
صورة
تدوسي ستارت.
start.
مثلا عندي أنا بعت صورة كده على الجروب، مش هو ده اللي مبينهولي، مش عارفة.
Very good, very good. It's working. Once you finish, send to me your result.